Here we go, guys. All right, I'm bringing some color into life today. Wearing some bright shirt here. I got these new earrings. Let's get this going. So I'm feeling like a really nice warm look today. I'm going to start out. I did my First Base makeup priming spray, and then I'm using my foundation palette, which includes a foundation and two concealers. I'm going to go in first with my color correcting redness neutralizing concealer number 1. So I take this into any of the areas that I have a little bit of redness in my skin. And so I just block that out first before applying my foundation. I'm also going to put concealer number 0 around my eyes, just above my brow, over my eyelids, under my eyes, just to help brighten up these tired mom eyes. So then I take that flat side of our Blenderful sponge and just a simple twist right there into the foundation and just literally start pressing that foundation right onto the surface of your skin. Look at that coverage with just one little half twist. And I'll go in and complete the other side. And just keep pressing it all over, and it blends in nicely. Because it's wax base, it will just keep warming on your face. So sometimes I like to go in over my eyelids and use my fingertip to just kind of smooth out that area. I'm going to add a little bit more brightening under my eyes here since I accidentally covered it with my foundation. Look out, big fluffy brush coming in. I'm going to warm up my face with our Perfect Bronzer number 1. This is beautiful bronzer. It has a little bit of shimmer in it. Just gives a nice glowy look across my forehead, down my cheekbones, and don't forget your neck as well. But it just gives you that little boost in these cold winter days. Oh snap, what do we got here? Oh, this is my blush I'm just putting on. Yep. I barely need any of this. You saw how bright that color was, but look how perfect that matches my shirt. I'm going to use this on my eyes as well. So obviously where you place it first is where you're going to have the most pigment. So all you need to do is just blend, blend, blend. Blend is your friend, guys. Now I'm going to go on to my eyes. I'm starting out with Cream Boat. This is color number 38. Just a nice base color for blending in the Oh Snap that I used on my cheeks. I'm going to use this also on my eyes. So like I said, blend, blend, blend. It's such a bright color, but literally once you blend it into that Cream Boat, you can get a nice soft transition from that light color to that sort of orangey corally color. So this works great with blue eyes. It looks great on the cheeks as well. And then I like to take that Cream Boat at the end and just kind of soften up the line of transitioning that Cream Boat into that Oh Snap color. So just another way of showing you how versatile you can use a blush on your eyes. You can use them on your lips as well. And then next up, I'm going with my medium color brow gel. I'm just doing brow gel only today. Quick little look here overall, as I gotta go get Sienna here shortly. So you might have seen how my brush kind of went a little heavy on that first eyebrow. So I'm just gonna soften that up using my Brow Tamer brush, sort of soften up that color. So next up, I'm gonna actually kind of, not the finishing step, but next up is my mascara. I'm going to curl my lashes real quick. I've had my mascara in my pocket this whole time. So I'm going to go in with one coat here. I'm going to have to take a quick pause after this because I really need to hustle to go get her because this is me. This is my life. I'm always waiting till last possible second to get out the door. Okay, be right back. And I'm back. I had to go get Sienna there. All right, I'm going to come back and I'm going to do a second coat of mascara on these lashes. I always like to do at least 2 coats. Just my preference. You can go anywhere from 1 to 4. I mean, you could go past 4 if you really want to amp it up. But this is a fiber lengthening one-step mascara. It's very clean. It's easy on your eyes if you wear contacts or if you have sensitivities. But I like to go in there with that second coat, complete that eye look a little bit better, make those lashes a little fuller. And then what color here? I'm going to go with Happy. Happy. Yep, I missed it. Sorry. All right, Happy on the lips. This is one of our lip glosses. Love this color. So pretty. And that's about it, I think, right? Oh, Silly me, I can't forget my Time Setter setting spray. So I love this winter. It kind of leaves you with that nice dewy look. Not oily look, just nice, pretty dewy. There you go. Please do not hesitate to reach out with any questions you might have about this look today. And as always, you can check out these products for more information at www.thatglossyblonde.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.